Good day guys, being here. Today let's try this one. Okay, so I did this. Okay, so I tried. I did this. What I did is use. So these are adaptive families. And so the first step is to making a mass, something like this. Right now, this one, this one, similar to this. Yeah, it's a bit tricky to model this shape in Revit. So if it's you can. What I did is I create a circle and break it, and it's a little bit hard to see wireframe WF. So this is the path. So what I did is in this one I use a circle. I just break it and with a little gap, so I can place multiple profile on this reference line. But the issue I had in this one is, you can see here, because the gap there, there's no nodes there, so which means when I place adaptive family, I can't have those adaptive family on this. So this creates this gap here, so it's not perfect. So today we're going to try model the mass first, but I might just try something slightly different. So instead of just a circle with a little gap, maybe we can try half circle instead. Okay, so this is a mass. Let's start. So first let's go to floor plan. I'll just use reference line and center and arc. So maybe just draw one half circle, and then we can just mirror it on the other side, to the other side, mirror. Okay, so now we have, so you can see if you tab, you can select half circle, right? Tab, half circle. If you do not tab, so you pick the whole thing to reference line. Okay, so this one, so just we're going to model something similar, but when we look at this one, so what it's sometimes it's just you need to have a plan too. So for example, this one, if we cut here, so cut something like here, cut here all the way to here, it's a bit something like this. We cut on here. Okay, so cut down, and add in here, this 1, 2, 3, they are all sit in the if I look from here, it will be, so the 3 circular shape and mass, they stack so in the same location, right? So in here, and then they become one horizontal here, right? So what we can do is, for these 3, we can use one same circular path, and then we can just use different. So for example, for the top one, so to go all the way, go to up. So from this top to this. So what we can do is we can have a profile in this location. When it's in this location, it's on top, and then when it goes to here, it goes to here. Okay, and the one in the middle to middle, so middle still in the middle, so this one's middle. Okay, middle and still middle, and this one, the bottom one, and it will sit in the here. So in here. So then we have this profile and this profile, so they can share the same path. Okay, so let's do it. So let's go to Revit. So I am just going to let's do it in 3D view. Excuse me. Okay, so place point, draw on face. Okay, so and I'm going to just place in the middle, I think. Hang on, let me just think. Where should I place? Okay, so we're going to place. So this will be where the 3 1 2 3 so vertical, and at this point it will be 1 2 3 horizontal. So just place 2 points here, and maybe no sorry, place 1 point and just create a reference. So I'm going to use a polygon. Okay, so because you can use a rectangular and draw, but I want to just save some time. I'm just going to use polygon. Draw on work plan, set work plan, and pick the work plan of this point. I'll just change this one to 4 so we can create a square. So and then just draw something like this. I'll just make it 5 meter for this one. Okay, so this is it. So this is one of the profile. So now as we can copy, I'll just copy multiple of them. Okay, so it's CC, and then we start to place them. So pick new host. I'll pick another one here, and just drag this to the end. Drag this to the end. So now if we move this up, so because on this side we do to stack them on vertically, so just move it up about 10 meter, and this one I think it need to be moved outside. Okay, so now if I select this one, and then tab select this path, we can create a mesh. Okay, so this is a mesh, but it's not perfect. Okay, so the reason is, I'll show you why. Okay, so let me just pick another one, pick from here, so place it onto this path, and another one onto this path, and same, this one go up by 10 meter. Okay, so this one go out by 10 meter, and then just maybe I will that's fine. Let's just drag this to this end, drag this to this end. Oh, hang on. Now they are overlapping, so it's not good. Maybe we can just create this mesh first. Tab, Control, Select, create this mesh, and then just drag this to this end, drag this to this end. So now let's have a look. So you will see it's not right. Alright, so it's not perfect. So so what we need is we need to at this point make it more horizontal. So how can we do it? Okay, so how can we do it? Let me just I'll just delete this mesh, and then I'll try to. We have 4 profile in these 2 locations, or so 4 totally 4. So let's just drag. Oh, here, this one. All good. Just drag this back, drag this back. So what we need is we need another one on each side. So another one here, another one here, another one here, another one here. So and need to be very close to the end. So place another one here. Same, this one needs to match this one. So this one need to go up by 10 meter. Okay, I'll just place another one and move this one by another 10 meter. Okay, so now that's good. So now move this to this end, move this to, so it's very close to that end. So I'm going to type in 0.99999. Okay, so it's very close to that. Hang on, looks like something's not right because they are supposed to be yeah, something's not right. So let's have a look. So if I move this back by by 10. Now it looks like this one's not right, because if I move this back by 10, should be, you know, aligned with that point. So I think let's just move this to there. Okay, so that's it. And then this one, move it. Oh, sorry, wrong one. Move this point to here, and this one needs to be very close to 0. So 0.00001. Okay. So now, yeah, perfect. So they are almost in the same location. Okay, so select these two, and also select these two, and also select tab, control select, create this form. So now this one will be better. So you can see it's very flat at in these two ends. Okay, so now let's do another. Actually, I'll just copy this one, because this one's easier. It's already offset from the point, so we can just copy and place. Okay, so this one, same, CC copy and pick new host, and then drag this to this. Maybe hang on. Let's create this form first, because once we move here, so it can be quite hard to, you know, select the correct profiles. Okay, so now now we have this form. Drag this point to overlap with this point, and okay, so drag this point. So this one needs to be very close to 0. So okay, and same, this one needs to be 1, and this one needs to be very close to 1. So 0.99999. And okay, so now we have these two mass. You can see they are they, you know, connect quite nicely. They are connected to each other. Okay, so this is one of that. Okay, so we totally we need 3. So 1. This is 1. This one. Oh hell, this one go out and go inside. Oh, actually it's it's not right. So it should be go out and go in. So yeah, I think this one, that's fine. What we need to do is we just need to, so in this one, so the two profiles here, we just need to move the profile to this side. Okay, so that's all good. So let's do it. It can be a little bit tricky trying to select those, because they are so close to each other. You can see there are 1, 2, 3, 4. So there are 4. There are 2 here and 1 here, 1 here. So let's start with this one. Oh, maybe hang on, let me just try to not this one. So the first point, HH. The second point, yeah, so the second point's this side, which is correct. I'll just drag it down a little bit. This one, this one's, let me just have a look. Yeah, on that side, that's not right. HH. So now we have these two points, okay, here. So which we need to move the profile on these 2 points. Okay, so first one, select this by move it by 20 meter. Okay, that's fine. So the mass, yeah, it's broken, so it's okay. Okay, so now that's all good, and then we can just drag this back, and also this one become 0.99999. Okay, so now HR, so we can see this one's still there, so this one's gone. That's fine, we can create another one. So just need to yeah, it'll be tricky again, so let's try again. Not this one, HH. This one's right. This one, not this one. HH. Actually I broke that one. Yeah, it's a bit tricky now. Let me think. How can we do it properly? HH. So maybe I'll just not this one. Delete this one. This first one, go there. how can we do it properly? How about this? I'll move this. Yes, that's better. So I just move this circle away from this circle so we can have, you know, separate them. So I think it's much easier to do it now. So let's, yeah, that's good. That's a great idea. Good job. Okay, so let's oh, the points are that's fine. So let's, oh, it looks like some of the points are, you know, lost the host. Yeah, that's fine. So we just place again. Okay, so these ones, so usually the you can see the big points means they are you know, they lost the host, but smaller one, which means they are placed on something. Okay, so this one's fine, this one's not, just place it on here. This one's fine, so this one's not, so just place onto here. So now yeah, I think that's it. So now we can create this one. So by selecting everything here we have, and then we just drag this to this end. This one become a 0.9999. Okay, so and then the same. So this one become a 0, and this one become 0.00001. Okay, so and then we have 2. Right, and okay, now we are going to, so this is one part. Okay, so and then we still need to I think another part is the middle one. The middle one's all circular, so there's no hard different or, you know, offset, so it can be very simple. So we can just basically just place one onto here and create one, right? So and then place another one onto here and create another one, and that's it. Okay, so that's the, and once we move them together, so it become a circular mass, right? And okay, so now we need the last one. The last one is just the opposite of this and this. So it will start from middle, go down, and anyway, so let's just, I'm going to h all these and all these and all these. Okay, temporarily hide everything here except these two parts. So now we have this. So I'm just going to copy some of them, or maybe just copy 2, and 1 we need to move it to the right about 1 meter. I think this one need to go down. Okay, so move this by 10 meter. Okay, so now pick this holes on here, and this one go to here. Right. Sorry, I forgot. Anyway, so let me just HR to see what I need. Okay, so we need one here. So this one, so from top come down here, and it will go. Where did it go? Go down. Yeah, I think so. Okay, so that's correct. And then we need on the other side, we'll be down there and go out. Yeah, I think it's go out. So this one, sorry, it's a little bit confusing. Let's Control Z, go back here. So I think this one's right. So now we just need to copy this one, CC, and pick new host, and then same CC, and pick new host. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Create this. Just drag this back to here and end of that arc. This one's the same. So this one's 0. So this one needs to be 0.001, and this one will be 0.99. Oh, sorry, 99999. And okay, so now let's try HR. Is that right? I think go up, this need to go down to here, which is correct. Yeah, I think it's right. Anyway, so for this side, this one need to go outside, right? So this one need to go down. Okay, so let me just HH everything here again. So except those two path. Okay. Okay, so place 1 point. So yeah, I should have copy one extra, but that's fine. So it's quite easy to create a new one. So make sure it's 4, and that's 5 meter. Okay, so and then move it out by 10, and that's it. So we need another one here. So move it back by 10, down by 10. Okay, so we need a 2. So pick new host, and this one drag to end, CC, and pick new host. This one pick new host as well. Okay, so now this one. So let's create this mass first. Okay, so create a form, and this one go to 0.0001. So this one's 0.9999. And okay. So now if I HR, and then if I need to pick that path, right? So I move. So maybe just go to top. So you can pick something back to here. Okay. So HR. Oh, hang on. Looks like it's broken. Maybe we need to select everything. Maybe. Oh, I know what's happening. So I think this is new problem or new issue in, I'm not sure about 2022 or 2023. So it keep so this disjoin. So I think sometimes it's always like if you forgot to switch it off, it will kept on, and then it'll break your model. I think this is not right. So go up and go outside, go down, go up, go outside, go down. Is that right? I think it's right. Yeah. Anyway, I think that's it. Yeah, it looks right. So this is it. So this is a mass. So actually there are 6 of them. I'm not sure if I can join them. I don't think. Oh, we can. Oh, interesting. We can. Good. So see, perfect. So we can actually join them, and see, no. Yeah, because it's when you join mass with like curves, it's very likely most of the time it won't work, but sometimes it will work. So I think this is good. So if I HH the reference line, you should be able to maybe it's easier to do it. Use VV. If you unhide everything here. Oh, sorry. If you hide everything here, so you can see, that's quite nice. Okay, so this is it. This is it for today. Maybe next time we try to create those layer of like a floor, ceilings, like stairs in this mass using adaptive family. Okay, so let's save it, and I'll see you next time. Today's date. See you next time. Thank you. Bye.